Well, we got the septic tank going in the back. Little septic tank action. Looking pretty neat and smooth. If you've ever wanted to know what one looks like, that's it. The crew is all here. Got some pipes. We got some pipes down here below, and it's going in over there. So, nice day. It's my backyard. It's coming along. A little muddy, but it is coming along. There we go, everybody. Here we go. Beautiful setup. The guys are doing a great job. And the siding is about to be going on at the back. Lots of fun. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great backyard. I'm standing where the pool's going, right there. So you got our crew in the back. These guys are fantastic. Little walkthrough through the side. Holy smokes, these guys are gonna lift some stones. Super strong guys over here. Make sure to wear your weight belt. Checking out from the construction zone.